Are you ready to get ready with me? So today I'm just sharing an everyday makeup look. I'm 65. This is what I wear just on a typical day. Definitely not an evening look, but a beautiful daytime look, and it works in the wintertime and it also works in the summertime. So I'll take you through product by product and show you how I put it on. I don't like a lot of makeup, or I try to use as little as possible. So if you love those beauty bloggers that go into great detail, this is not the video for you. But if you like just light, easy breezy, then definitely stick around and I'll take you through, as I said, step by step. We're gonna get ready together. Murder mysteries definitely get our creative juices flowing, right? It's all those cryptic clues we have to string together. I've always enjoyed reading cozy mysteries and would love to attend a murder mystery event one day. I actually put that on my online dating profile. So today, I'm pleased as punch to partner with June's Journey, a hidden object mystery game that's a detective story at heart. The game is set in the glamorous 1920s with a diverse cast of characters, including our protagonist, June, whose sister and brother-in-law have been murdered. It's up to June to find out why, and in the process, uncover whodunit. And since I love fashion, I thoroughly enjoy the 1920s vintage fashion that June and the other characters wear. Interactive games like June's Journey are a lot of fun to play while keeping my mind sharp at the same time. And since I can download it on my phone, it can come along with me and entertain me while I'm at the airport or the doctor's office or anywhere I have some downtime. If you love games that will keep you not only entertained, but keep your mind working by finding hidden objects and beautifully crafted scenes, then you will love June's Journey. Download the game with my link, and everything is listed in the description box down below. June's Journey is available on Android and iOS mobile devices, as well as on PC through Facebook Games. So you have lots of options to play June's Journey. And again, everything is listed in the description box down below. All right, gang, I have all of my products assembled, from primers to mascara, my brushes, and everything in between. And I'll take you through step by step. Step 1, I use a primer. Actually, it's a color corrector on my eyelids, and this is from MAC. It's their Pro Longwear Paint Pot, and I have the color Painterly. And this really helps the eyeshadow to stay on longer and also gives it the accurate color that it's meant to be. Then I move on to Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer, and it also hydrates, and you can use it as a moisturizer and a primer because it really doubles as both. So if you want to skip your moisturizing step, you can absolutely do that with this primer, but I just really love how it hydrates my skin and it just really gives a beautiful glow. Then I move on to my eyes, and recently I've been using Nars Endless Night, and I use a 3-step process for my eyes. It's very, very simple. So I use a base, and then I have a color for the crease, and then in the corner of my eye. So first step is I place Young Heart at the base of my eyelid, and I go all the way up to my eyebrow, and then I repeat the process on the second side. Step 2, I come with a round, fluffy brush, and then I'm using Let Loose in the crease. So I really just put it in the crease and I kind of bring it up a little bit. So it's really above my, I guess that's my brow bone right there. So not all the way up to my eyebrow, but I do bring that crease shade up a little bit. And then for step 3, I use Medea in the corner of my eye. So I just do a little V in the corner of my eye with a small flat brush, and then I come along with the fluffy brush again, and then I just really blend, because I think that's the secret for beautiful eyeshadow, is just how well you blend that in. And I use itCosmetics brushes, and I will have everything linked down below in the description box. After my eyeshadow is in place, then I come along with an eyeliner, and recently I've been using Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen because it's very smudgeable, and I love to smudge my eyeliner. So because I'm not really very accurate when I place it, so this goes on like a dream, and I'm using the black glue. So if you really like a smudgeable eyeliner, I highly recommend the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen. And then after I have the eyeliner on, then I just come along with a little brush, and then that's how I smudge it in. So it just gives a nice little lift to your eye, kind of makes your eyes pop, but it's not a cat eye pencil. It's not anything extravagant. It just gives your eyes a nice little pop. And after my eyeshadow and eyeliner are on, I just come along with a lash curler. It just really helps to lengthen my eyelashes just a little bit and then just give it a little bit of a curl. So then my primer and my mascara go on flawlessly. And as I mentioned, after I use my eyelash curler, I like a lash primer, and I've been using Subversion for several years. And again, this just really helps your mascara to go on very, very smoothly. It also helps to lengthen and make your eyelashes really stand out. And at this age, I need all the help I can get. So I have absolutely loved the Lash Primer Subversion. Next, I go back to my face, and then now I apply my foundation. And I like a light foundation, a little bit heavier in the winter time, and it really is still the winter months when I'm releasing this video. So I have been really loving the Giorgio Armani foundation. This is Luminous Silk. It's their Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation, and it goes on like a dream. I'm using 4.75. And after I apply it with my fingers, and I just come along, this is an itCosmetics brush, and then again, I just blend, because that is really the secret to a great looking makeup, is how we blend it in. And I know many of us love to use a concealer. I don't necessarily use one. I always check to see if my eyes need it or not. But today I'm not wearing one, but if you like a really good one, I recommend Beauty Pie, their everyday great skin concealer. After my foundation, then it's time for my eyebrows, and I use Benefit's eyebrow gel in the color gray. They actually have a gray. Absolutely love it. It just goes perfectly with my gray hair and my pink skin tones. It doesn't actually look gray. It's really kind of like a charcoal gray, I would say, rather than a gray. But anyway, I first go on my eyebrows with the eyebrow gel, and then catch all the eyebrows that I still have left. And then I just take a look to see if there are any gaps. And if there are, and there usually are a few gaps, then I come along with the Precisely brow pencil, again in gray. And then I just come along, and as I said, I just fill in those gaps for beautiful brows, because brows really are important. I don't like them to be too overstated, but I also want my eyebrows to actually be seen. Then I'm going back to my face, and I love a cream blush. I do still use powder blushes, but if I can, I love to have a cream blush. And this is from Tarte. It's their Blush and Glow Cheek Plump, and I'm using the color pink. And I really like the applicator because you just kind of come along and you just swipe it on to the apples of your cheek. I still really use that technique. And then again, I just come along with an itCosmetics blush brush and blend. And I just take it from the apples of the cheek and then all the way into my hairline. But again, the secret really is just blending that blush in. Next step for me is the Nars Orgasm Cheek Palette. They call it Orgasm on the Beach. And I'm not really a contour person, but I do like a little extra glow. So I love this palette because I just come along. It's called the color Naples. I just get a slanted brush and then I put some on my nose and then really just kind of outline the blush that I have just put on. It just gives it a beautiful glow. And now we're going to go to the lips. We're almost in the home stretch of this easy everyday makeup tutorial. So I line my lips with Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called Pillow Talk. It's a beautiful nude lip liner. I line the cupid bow, and then I also line the fullest part of my bottom lip, but I don't do the entire lip. And then after that, I come along with lipstick, and this is Pat McGrath. It does cost a pretty penny, but if you don't mind paying a little extra for lipstick, it is really an amazing brand. I'm using Fembot, which is like a pink nude. And then I just put that all over my lips before I head on to the next step. And now I go back to my eyes, and I have been using Better Than Sex from Too Faced mascara for years, and I use actually lots of other mascaras, but this is honestly my holy grail. This is the one I go back to time and time again. I have this in black, and then I come along with one swipe first, both eyes, and then I'll pause. And then I will check out my eyebrows, because if I've been too heavy-handed, or if I really just want to tame my eyebrows and just make sure all of the eyebrow hairs are in place, I just come along with a spoolie and just make sure that it absolutely looks beautiful. And then, because I love hydrated lips, I almost always follow up with a lip gloss over my lipstick. And this is Pat McGrath. This is called the Prima Donna lip gloss. And again, it just really hydrates my lips and really just sets me off the day in a good way. And the very last step is one more swipe with a mascara. Again, this is Better Than Sex mascara in black, and it's by Too Faced. And I typically do 2 swipes with the mascara. I put one on, let it dry, and then come back with the second coat. And if you've made it this far in the video, you might as well hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos your way. And it would so help the channel grow if you do 3 things: like, share, and comment. And a big thank you to June's Journey for today's sponsored post. And thank you, my lovely viewers, for supporting the brands that allow me to bring you fresh ideas. Okay, ladies, I hope you really enjoyed this video. It's been a moment since I did a Get Ready With Me and shared my everyday makeup with you. So, of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what products you like, maybe an eyeshadow, maybe a beautiful concealer. We all love to hear and feed off of each other's comments and also input. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.